Hey everybody, welcome back. So what we're doing right now is we're getting ready to do a bench flash on a Volkswagen Touareg ECM to delete the immobilizer for a customer. So the first thing we got to do is hook this thing up correctly. So I have my chart here that tells me how to hook it up. So I'm going to grab my little set of wires over here. So the first thing we got to do is start with our red wire, the vidIQ, and then we actually have two of those. So what we're going to end up using is one red and one purple wire. Now those go in pins 87 and 92. So this is a 94 pin connector, so we're going to go back 2, and there is 92. And there's pin 87. So that part's done. Now we're going to put one more in for the K line. So we need to pull this wire. Put this here, this goes in pin 86. So there's that. So pin 86 is the K line. And depending on MED 9.1 or 9.1X, so we're going to have to go back and do the 9.1X, so it has one different wire. Everything else is the same. So pin 44 is GPT1. That's this light blue wire. And that wire is the same regardless of protocol. So that is pin 44, and that's connected. So now we got to put a GPT2 in pin 59, and that is a pink wire. And that is the wire right above the other one. That's in. And now the final one is our ground wire, and that's going to take one of the larger pins. And that goes right there, and pin 1. So now we'll move on and read our protocol. As we can see there, it's working. It's reading all the information from the ECU that it needs. And we're going to read our backup. And right now it's doing its loading process. So then I'll pull a copy, send it off to the company, we'll get a new and improved Immobilizer free ECU, and then we should be good to go. Now right now it's pulling the log for me, and it'll take a couple minutes to do that, and then we will save it, send it, and hope for the best. But anyway, that is how bench flashing works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back and watch some more. Hit the like, subscribe, leave me a comment of what else you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.